I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have the essentials: a Make account, the email address, password or OAuth access, and a map/SMTP or API settings. Once ready, open Make and create a new scenario. Add an email module, pick a map for inbound, SMTP for outbound, or a provider-specific API like Gmail. Make sure to select whether this is a trigger or an action. That choice determines the module options you'll fill next. Start the connection flow now to move from planning to configuration. Next, configure the connection. Enter host, port, SSL settings, and credentials, or complete OAuth consent if using an API. Once connected, map incoming or outgoing fields, subject, body, recipient, sender, and attachments to your scenario variables. Use filters to ignore noise and parsing rules to extract structured data from the body or HTML. You can also set polling intervals and limits to control rate. Make sure to test the connection and run a sample execution to validate mapped fields and expected flow. Finally, run a complete test and inspect the execution history to verify results. Save the scenario and switch it on with the desired schedule or webhook trigger. Add error handlers, retries, and logging so failures auto-recover or alert you. If something goes wrong, check common culprits. Ensure a map/SMTP is enabled on the mail account, verify OAuth scopes and token validity, confirm ports and SSL settings, and re-enter credentials. If logs show permission errors, reauthorize the connection and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.